I installed the M.2. It's a M.2 NVMe drive here. It's 500 gigabytes. I just installed the 32 gigabytes of Trident Z DDR4 memory, total of 32 gigabytes. And I also installed the 9th generation i7 Intel chip right there. And so this motherboard is about to be installed here. So I'm going to prep the case so I can install the motherboard. And so everything looks good. And so just make sure I got the right amount of standoffs in here. Yeah, this case comes with all the standoffs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 standoffs. And I'm gonna get this baby going. And so let's see. Let me put this light right there. Get this stuff out of the way. Let's see. This motherboard doesn't have an I/O shield because it comes already on there. Let me see. There we go. Now I'm gonna push this over here. This wire is here. Gotta make sure everything. I should have unpeeled the plastic protective tape, but I'm not gonna do it yet. There it goes. It fell into place. Make sure it falls into place. It looks like it's fell into place there. Okay, yeah, that looks good. That looks good. All the holes are lining up. Yeah. So I'm gonna just put all the screws in and make sure all the screws there goes some more Go Fast stickers. Ooh. Got all the screws and everything. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. This is the SLI connection. This is I think there's an M.2 screw. Oh no, these are. This is an M.2 screw, and these are 2 screws. Anyway, I'm gonna look for the screws. I'm gonna install it, and I'll get back to the other video later. Bye bye.